Got an RBT file from a LEGO MINDSTORMS NXT robotics project? These contain the programs that bring your robot creations to life. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and use these LEGO MINDSTORMS NXT program files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the RBT error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. RBT files are robot program files created by LEGO MINDSTORMS, NXT software used to program LEGO robots built with the NXT robotics kit. They contain visual programming blocks, sensor configurations, motor commands, and program logic compiled for execution on the NXT Intelligent Brick controller during robot operation. RBT files use LEGO's proprietary format, storing visual programming, block definitions, data flow connections, sensor and motor configurations, and compiled bytecode for the NXT Intelligent Brick. The format includes program metadata, variable definitions, and execution parameters following LEGO MINDSTORMS NXT-G programming environment specification. The software default for the RBT file type is the solution provided by the LEGO Group's LEGO MINDSTORMS NXT. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows may preview high-level details, but full interpretation requires appropriate data processing tools. Your first step towards successfully opening the file, right-click the RBT file and select Open With. If LEGO MINDSTORMS NXT is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. A test is required. If you are still having trouble opening the RBT file, do not worry. We know the RBT format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, opening an NXT software. Launch LEGO MINDSTORMS NXT software and open the RBT file through the File menu. The software displays the visual program with all programming blocks, connections, and configurations in the NXT-G visual programming environment, enabling viewing, editing, and downloading the program to NXT robots via USB or Bluetooth. Next, downloading to robot. Connect your LEGO MINDSTORMS NXT brick via USB cable or Bluetooth, and use the NXT software to download the RBT program to the robot. The software compiles the visual program and transfers it to the NXT brick, enabling autonomous robot execution of the programmed behaviors. Finally, migrating to modern tools. For continued robotics development, consider migrating to LEGO MINDSTORMS EV3 or current LEGO Education Spike Prime, which use updated programming environments. The fundamental robotics concepts transfer between platforms, though specific program files require recreation in the newer software environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.